So right here in this particular tutorial, I'm going to give you about two ways by which you can use shape tools in CorelDraw. So let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and navigate to text tool right here. Then I will select my text tool. Then I will come to the workspace right here and simply make a type. So I'm going to type in spacing. Okay. Now this particular text right here, I want to increase the text size. I want to format it in a different way. So I'm going to press Ctrl A to select everything. I'll come to the property from the top right here. I will go ahead and make it about 100%. Let's see right here. Now this particular text right here, I want to give a simple gap between the text right here. That is known as text spacing. And for that, what we want to do right here, we can make our shape tools to get this done. How do we do that? Go ahead and navigate to your toolbar right here. Then go ahead and click and hold down. Then select shape tool right here. So once you select shape tool, then you have it appear on your text. Then you can drag forward or inward. This depends on what exactly spacing you are looking at in your text. So you can drag as many as possible. This will give you the same gap interval in that particular text as far as shape tools is concerned in CorelDraw. Let's take a look at another way by which you can use shape tools in CorelDraw. Now let's say for instance I want to make some curve and I'm not good enough with pen tool. How do we use to make curve with pen tool and shape tool? Let's see. First thing first, go ahead and go back to your toolbar right here. Click and hold down. Then make sure you go ahead and select pen tool. Then having select pen tool, I will come to the workspace right here. Then having select my pen tool, then I'll click once. Then press shift down and then click second. Then press Ctrl key down to cut. Then press Ctrl key down to cut the movement of the pen tool. Now, how do we use shape tools to turn this particular straight line into curve? Now, first thing first, go ahead and select your shape tool. So when you select your shape tools, you find out that the shape, the stroke actually changed right here. So what we want to do right here, we can drag the shape right here, just like so. Another thing we can do right here, we can add node right here. So for that, right click on it, then choose the type of node you want to add right here. You can decide to add to curve or you can decide to break the path. So if I click on break the path, with the help of shape tools, then we are able to break this particular stroke right here. That's been breaking into two. Now if I press my space bar right here and I decide to, so we have with this particular stroke being break into two. But what we need to do right here, we still need to break them apart so that we can select them one after the other. For that, select the shape and go ahead and come to the shape property right here. Go ahead and click on break apart. So once you break apart, then you'll be able to select the shape one after the other. For that, I'm going to click on this one right here. Then we have this one here. And then we have the other shape part right here. It's that simple. So this is how best to use your shape tools in CorelDraw. For more tutorial tips and tricks about CorelDraw tools like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you.